In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to make a toy that's gonna occupy your kids for hours and actually considered to be the best handmade toy ever. Hi guys, welcome back to If Only April. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please subscribe. We do a lot of fun DIYs here, and today's DIY is gonna be DIY play silks. It sounds so simple and you only need 3 ingredients for that: vinegar, water, and food coloring. So just like that, if you're gonna spend a couple of hours of your time, you can make an amazing playset for your kids, and I completely vouch for it because I made this set a year ago for my kids and they loved it for over a year. I mean, they're constantly using it. I mean, seriously, this is insane. It's so simple but yet so genius. So this kind of toy is called an open-ended play toy, and which gives your kid so many options how to play with it. So stay tuned till the end because I'm going to show you in the end how you can incorporate this play silks into your children's play and to make it more and more exciting so they can play with it for hours. Isn't it all parents' dream? There's of course available options in the market, but what's the point to pay for it triple price if you can make it yourself on the budget within a couple of hours? So yeah, let's go and make the magic. I got 8 scarves, 30 by 30 inches. I can leave you the link below. Mine are pure silk. If you're gonna get synthetic fabric, it's gonna cut the cost tremendously, probably like 5 times or something. But I chose to get like real natural silks because they just look nice and they're so nice to the touch. If you want to read more details about what exact colors I used and more details on the process, you can read it on my blog www.ifonlyapril.com. I'm gonna leave you the link below so you can check it out, and yes, and it's gonna make it easier for you to make it for yourself. First of all, you need to wash your silks with gentle soap to get rid of all the chemicals or something that probably was on the silks before. Then after that, you need to soak them in water with vinegar for at least an hour. Mine kind of soaked for over 4 hours because I completely forgot about them and they were just like laying there, hanging out, enjoying the vinegar bath. But this is not bad, it's actually good because vinegar helps the color stick to the fabric. So it's all good. Then you need to fill a large pan with water, approximately 3 to 4 liters, and bring it to a boiling temperature. It might take a while if you're using a gas stove, so just be patient. Then add 2 cups of vinegar. I've learned that the exact amount doesn't really matter, and I only measured vinegar for my first color, but then eyeball it. Okay, so today I'll be using these 2 food coloring, and yeah, they have a lot of fun colors. Let's do it. Then you need to add the food coloring to the boiling water. Please know that you can also use liquid watercolors, but I chose the food coloring because of a couple of reasons. A, it's cheaper. B, I have it on hand already. And C, it's actually safe to taste for the babies. So using a spoon, stir consistently until you create some sort of like a vortex in the water. When the water starts moving, add 1 silk to the water and continue stirring it until silk absorbs all the color. How much food coloring will be absorbed depends on the color itself. Some might stick instantly and some won't. I mean, it happened that yellow was actually a very good color, it stuck like right away, but with the blue I had a bit of trouble. Okay, then take your scarf out of the pot. And what I did before, I rinsed it under the cold water, but one of you beautiful readers actually told me on my blog that the best way to do it is to dip it into water and vinegar solution. So this way the color gonna stick to your silks forever. And if you see that the color is still very, very pale, so you can always like add like more drops. Silks look so beautiful. See for yourself. After I got those beautiful colors, I decided to try a tie-dye method. So I just used the regular rope to tie the silks, and maybe that was like my mistake and I should have used the rubber bands, but I didn't have them in hand, so I thought that it was going to be just fine. And yes, let's see what happens. But I followed exactly the same steps as I did with the previous silks, and yeah, it almost worked. Almost. Let's see what happened with this one. Yay! I like it. Oops, maybe I don't. Okay. What about the middle? Yeah, you know guys, I think I'm just gonna dip the whole thing again. Okay, I'm gonna put it back again. So this white spots, you know, like they're gonna be a little bit pinkish, but not white. And I think then I'm gonna absolutely love it. Yay! Oh, done. But do you think I'll ever remember to wear gloves when I'm working with some paint? Okay, guess what guys? I do not love it. I think it's fine for the first time, but now I'm very much determined to try it again. Well, since my tie-dye silks didn't turn out as beautiful as I expected them to be, let's just take another look at the solid colors play silks. I had my silks for over a year and our colors faded just a little bit, but not enough for the kids to lose interest in them. They still love them so much. To get to the point where my kids are busy, my kids are happy, that makes me super happy, and I can go and work on another project, which I think I'm gonna do now.